So there's not a lot of people because it's raining. So this is actually very perfect. I don't know where we're going. Oh yeah, is that the map? What, there's free Wi-Fi? You guys, there's free Wi-Fi. So funny. Welcome to Yokohama, Chinatown. Superman. Oh look, Superman has his facial hair cut again. He's so cute. So, Chinatown. So there's places to eat. You see those a lot in Japan. The classical Shanghai. You guys, it's raining, so I don't know how long we're gonna walk out here. But I just wanted to show you guys the Chinatown here in Yokohama. So cute, the faces. Wow.